Can I make a living on YouTube? Let's find out if I can master YouTube monetization. YouTube monetization is basically the process by which creators like you and me earn income from our content. It's what turns our passion into a potential career. Understanding how it works can be a game changer. Many people think that all YouTube videos automatically earn money, but that's a common misconception. To actually make money on YouTube, you need to put in a lot of effort and meet specific requirements. It's not just about uploading videos and waiting for the dollars to roll in. You need to create content that resonates with your audience, build a community, and adhere to YouTube's guidelines. The journey to monetization involves understanding what YouTube looks for in a channel. It's not just about the number of views or subscribers, it's about creating content that viewers love and engage with. YouTube has a set of rules and guidelines that creators must follow to be eligible for monetization. Becoming a YouTube partner is not an easy feat, but it's a crucial step towards making money on the platform. It requires a lot of hard work, patience, and a deep understanding of what your audience wants to see. There are several ways creators can monetize their content on YouTube. One of the most common methods is through AdSense, where creators earn money from ads displayed on their videos. Another way is through channel memberships, where viewers pay a monthly fee for exclusive content. Super Chat and Super Stickers allow viewers to pay for their messages to be highlighted in live chat. Merchandise shelves enable creators to showcase their products directly on YouTube. Lastly, YouTube Premium revenue allows creators to earn a share of the subscription fee paid by YouTube Premium users. The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, is like the gateway to most monetization features. To join, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. You also need to comply with YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Meeting these requirements is a significant milestone, but it's just the beginning. Once you're part of the YPP, you can start exploring different monetization features and finding what works best for your channel. It's essential to keep in mind that the YPP is not just about earning money. It's also about building a community and creating content that resonates with your audience. In addition to AdSense, channel memberships, Super Chat, and merchandise shelves, YouTube Premium revenue is another way creators can earn money. By sharing in the subscription fee paid by YouTube Premium users, creators can earn more from their content. To sum it up, YouTube monetization offers diverse opportunities for creators to earn from their passion. While becoming monetized requires effort and dedication, it's achievable with the right strategy and mindset. If you're aiming to monetize your channel, share your goals with me in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel for more tips on growing your YouTube presence and mastering YouTube monetization.